Hi everyone, so I decided to try some art hacks we see every day and let's find out how they turned out. For this, we need some colors. I'm using Fevicryl colors here. You can also use watercolors or any other colors of your choice. A tray to pour them in, a bottle, some earbuds, and a piece of paper. So first one is painting flowers with the base of the bottle. Make sure that the paint is all over the base of the bottle. As you can see, it is not turning out well. We'll try again. Yes, this is not a very successful technique. So I don't think that I will go with this one. It's a no-no. Now moving on to the second hack. We will try with earbuds. I'm cutting these from the middle because I only have 3 buds and we need more for these. We are going to use pink color this time. As you can see, this one is turning out pretty good. This one actually works every time. But sometimes people don't have earbuds, so it can be a trouble then. I'm going to paint some stamps here. If you want to try them, you can try them too. Third technique is by using the fingertips. I'm going to use blue color here. You can use any color of your choice. I'm liking this one actually. It is pretty easy to use and you can also increase the volume of your flower any way you want. This is turning out pretty good. You can always go with this one. If you don't have paintbrushes at home, you can try this and it is always satisfactory. Also, it is fun for kids to do at home and you don't have the trouble of going through different type of brushes or anything else. Now, so in conclusion, bottle base is a no. Earbuds are good only if you have them. And the fingertip is the best one. Subscribe to my channel and keep watching.